Who's ready for Monday? HCMC hunters, as we predicted exactly. I told you a warning sign for explosion, and I told you ready to explode. And this video we did it before the explosion. Congrats about the people who actually got this massive move, and we said we're gonna see close up above our resistance and pick up in the momentum as we actually predicted exactly, guys. So congrats about the people who catch this and hunted exactly by the second, because we've been trending down and been like consolidating for weeks and days, and that's why I told you always at my channel, be patient, and we hunt exactly for the right price value. So today we're gonna talk about the price for Monday, what we should expect, what the warning sign. We have all the possibility, like always the hunter do, the calculate all the probability that something will happen, even will happen. We never panic, we never take bad choices, because we have set of plans we go through every time. So without further ado, we'll go to the video. But before, like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. As always told you guys, be patient and let's hunt for the price value, the right price value, and let's go to the video. So as we said in a previous video, I told you guys the volume is picking up and HCMC is about to explode, and that's what we did when we traded here above the exponential moving average. And I told you we're gonna see a bounce here exactly. That's what we did, because we trending above the exponential moving average and we got the bounce and the confirmation from our volume indicator. But I'm gonna say something about this exactly, because guys, if we use our common sense, this jump, it was just 3 billion. The volume is good, 3 billion, but for HCMC, if you've been witness for the crazy jump that we did at the beginning of this year, usually the volume is 25 billion, 30 billion, 25 billion, but for this jump we just got 3 billion. So by Monday I will be very cautious, because let's go to the smaller picture, because now when we have the charts all together have the same sign, this is really good. But now if we go in the smaller view picture for HCMC and we do the close-up, the volume is perfect now, as we can see in the smaller time frame. We trending, the volume is picking up and is resting above the zero and is nothing negative, and our exponential average actually coil up on us at the last hour that we did, and the big jumps. As I told you, we need always a big momentum to overcome any resistance, and we take over the resistance here and our resistance here at the 0.0014. However, the thing I want to show you, this is a big picture, is looking really good, but if we go in a big time frame and see a close-up, as we can see, our volume indicator is just got above the zero, and we not clear yet, because sometimes when we have the momentum change from the negative to zero, we don't close above the zero, and we just get a rejection from our volume, and we go below the zero again, and we have the drop in momentum and volume. So by Monday, what we want to see, this is really important guys, listen closely. That's what we want to see. I don't want to tell you what you want to hear. I told you every possibility that could happen, because the stock market never care about our emotion. That's why in reality, in life, things happen. You see, like never always a sunny day. There's some climate change. You see, like this is life. You have to be prepared for the sun, for the winter, for the snow, for the haze, for everything. So what I'm gonna show you here in the big picture, as I told you, what we want to see by Monday, closing opening for our trending day for Monday above this support level. Let me highlight it for you guys to see clearly. Here we need to open above the 0.0014. We closed at 0.0016. It will be perfect if we have a jump even around a gap around the 0.0018, close to our hard resistant, the 0.0020. Here we need to be at Monday. We need to test this level, a pick up in momentum, of course. This is really important because this jump was just 3 billion. The other day we were 1 billion. We got below even the 1 billion, but by next week we need to see the change in momentum and volume over 3 billion, not below, like 5-10 billion, and becoming momentum and volume in order to overcome this resistance. Otherwise we go below again. This is really important, guys. Now what I'm gonna tell you in the long time frame, the one thing I don't like is the volume is still below the zero and just touch the zero, so it's still not clear yet. By Monday we need to hold above here, above our resistance, above the 0.0014, and we go above again in order to change the momentum here, our SMI, to go in positive side. And this is really important to have for HCMC to have more common sense, because the 1 hour chart is perfect, it's acting is really good, but the 4 hour chart is not relate to 1 hour chart yet, because you know, like in smaller time frame, you need a bit of time to adjust to the 4 hour frame to have the same consistency, because it's different. You need this you need a bit of time to for the sign to come from the 1 hour chart to 4 hour chart. The best scenario is that our small time frame will have the same sign as the big time frame. This is a perfect sign. Until now we still want to see this by the next week, when we see our first pick up the momentum and we go over the zero, and second we need a closing candle above the 0.0014, and we never go below this. This is the most important psychological level at this level, guys, because we broke it after we dive from it at the 23rd of March from last month. So this is a psychological level to hold this level by Monday, and we stay above the 1 billion to at least 5-7 billion in order to go up and test the most important psychological level at 0.0020, and we might see a bit of rejection here. So be careful, guys, before we go out again, because at 11th of March we got a test for this level. As I told you, this is the market maker. They just test the market and they see the price value is not ready to go above the 0.0020. That's why we got rejected, and that's why we've been dropping until we hold the strong support at 0.0010. This is really important, guys. As simple as that. At my channel, no complication, no fancy words for technical analysis. Just straight information, straight, clear as day. Because if you complicate things, that means you don't understand them. So, guys, this is what we want to see: a closing candle above, and we don't want to close below, and we go below and lose all the momentum we did. And we need the volume never drop below the 1 billion, preferably 5 billion or more will be better for seeing the other testing for the other resistance at 0.0020, and from there, as all the people said, to the moon. But before the moon, we have to charge the rocket. We had to fuel the rocket before we go to the moon. Make common sense. You never could go to the moon before you prepare to all the possibility that you have to overcome to escape the gravitational pull of the earth. So you be a bit smart about it. We need the common sense first, and we calculate everything. So, guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video update about the exact price value like we did here 2 days ago. And as I told you guys, be patient, because patience is like having patience in trading, in even in life. It actually have big reward if you patient and you wait for the exact price value to jump in it and hunt it. That's what we do at our channel. So without further ado, happy Sunday, and hopefully have a nice weekend, and let's get ready for Monday and let's hunt. See you guys.